Hey, really boring here. Well, we have like these stupid fidget spinners. What are you supposed to do with them? You don't really need to say that. That could be fun.
Yeah, that might be a good idea. But I don't have a fidget spinner though.
Haha, you're a nerd. Like Mikey. Haha. He's out, Mikey. Guys, run! Guys, we have to get the hell out of here! Where are we gonna go?
Guys, levitate, but that's amazing.
Guys, here.
Around here?
It's run!
Mikey! Belly flop! We love fidget spinners. Stay.
Wait, what? Fidget spinners! Nom 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 nom. That was tasty. Wait, what? More! Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Mikey, that was delicious. Let's go see if there's anything else to eat. Football. Yeah. Okay, guys, what do you think he's doing?
I think I fell straight down the bottom. What to say?
Mikey's so complaining. Mikey, shut up. Mikey's so complaining. Just flat. Mikey's so complaining. Shut up. We can't do that. Yeah.
My name's Mikey.
Mikey, get into your hiding spot.
Mikey.
What the hell is that?
No.
Guys, a real dog.
Guys, what the hell is that? I don't know.
Guys, I got an idea. Look at me. Look at my plan. Ready?
Guys, come with us. Come on, guys, come with us. Look at this way.
You're so bad, dog, boy.
What the hell, dog?
Let's run.
Get the dog! Everyone get the dog!
Hey,
All I care about is the fidget spinners. Use your fidget spinners, guys.
Attack! How dare you do that?
Fidget spinner. I look at you. Belly flop. I got an idea. I want to get inside of the thing. Let's go.
Don't do that after you. Oh, no.
What am I doing? I'm doing.
I've had enough of this.
I'm alive still with my fidget spinner. Yay!
I know.
I've
had enough of you guys ruining my plans. Nobody wants to run. No.
I think we're safe here.
You think so?
Yeah, let's drop it.
No. He'll never reach us up there.
I have two fidget spinners.
Yeah, we're definitely safe up here.
Don't make me slap you.
You was.
Don't make me slap you. Look at me. I'm Jacksepticeye. Yay.
Table. We stand the table.
Oh no. Okay, I think we should.
Slap
Slap on your bum.
Oh, no.
Ow.
Let's go.
Nom.
Are you done?
Stop.
I'm going to attack you.
Oh no, he's coming.
Let me ride the pirate. This seems so wrong.
Hey,
It's coming that way.
Mikey, get over here.
Behind you.
juked them! Oh no!
Right, Tony, the one there.
I juked them! I juked them!
This way.
Dude, I know to hide. I need to go toilet. He's coming. Shh, just be really quiet. I need to party.
I am a spectator on poo ball. Let's go. Look how many hairlines I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 11. Let's go.
I killed the dog.
That's a lie. Oh my days, it actually isn't a lie. No, I want to go inside the dog. Yay!
Papyrus, are you okay? No, I think I broke a leg. Well, I don't have a leg anymore.
Yeah, because you broke your bone.
You broke your
I broke
bone.
my bones.
Sand, I think this is a good time for you to make a pun.
That's a pun.
Skeleton of fun.
Wow.